Okay, guys, today we have an Yamaha guitar. Uh, it's defined inside that Yamaha Corporation, made in Indonesia, and it's marked with 4111 model number. Okay, see, okay, might be it is a copy, but it's very good guitar with good quality. And what we have today is its neck is completely damaged, and the fretboard is also got popped up. Okay, so we have to make it repair with very quick method. And it's please note, it's not reversible uh, with epoxy. Okay, epoxy hardener and liquid. Okay, we are going to use these liquids to make it bind, and it's this process is not reversible. If once it will be get dried, you will not get back it. Okay, um, it's only it will give you only one chance to make your guitar work perfect and get into same position what how it was. Okay, so we are going to start now. And what we have to do in first, that we can we can make an solution in something like this. Okay, we'll take a solution over here. Okay, it's about to 50% of each, the hardener and the glue, the epoxy. Okay, now sorry. Okay, shag it as well as you can. Okay guys, yes, note one other thing, that this process will take approx 24 to 48 hours to dry and clamp your fretboard. And okay, it will seem like this when you feel that it look like and bond. You just you are going to apply this liquid into the area which you want to bind. Okay, now the core thing is that you have to file a little bit over here. If there is in place, if there is no place, so don't try to do this. Okay, now keep the chemical inside, keep the glue inside here. Okay, okay,